The future of smart kitchens, what to expect in 2025. Welcome to a new era of kitchen living. The kitchen of 2025 is not just a place for cooking. It's a hub of innovation, sustainability, and seamless technology. As artificial intelligence, eco-conscious design, and automation continue to evolve, our kitchens are being reimagined to match. Whether you're a home cook or a tech lover, the future of smart kitchens is already knocking at your door. Let's explore how these changes are shaping the heart of the home. Smart appliances are getting even smarter. Ovens now use AI to recognize the type of food and automatically set the temperature and time for perfect results. Refrigerators can suggest recipes based on what's inside, track expiration dates, and even reorder groceries for you. Touchless faucets, voice-controlled lighting, and app-synced appliances are standard, not luxury. This integration isn't just about convenience. It's about making cooking more intuitive, accessible, and personalized for every user. Sustainability is becoming the silent powerhouse of kitchen design. In 2025, energy-efficient appliances are just the start. Smart composting systems break down organic waste within hours. Induction cooktops reduce electricity use while maximizing performance. Cabinets and counters are crafted from recycled and sustainable materials like bamboo or repurposed plastics. Even packaging from groceries is designed to be biodegradable or reusable, closing the loop between cooking and environmental responsibility. Meal planning and nutrition are undergoing a major transformation. Smart kitchens are now equipped with AI-driven nutrition assistants. These systems analyze your health data, like activity levels, allergies, or dietary goals, and generate customized meal plans accordingly. Meal prep robots can chop, stir, and plate food with precision. With a simple voice command, your kitchen can become a personal chef and dietitian, helping you eat better without the stress. Social connection and entertainment are taking center stage. Modern kitchens are built with seamless media integration. Smart screens embedded into cabinets let you stream videos, follow live cooking tutorials, or video call loved ones while cooking. Ambient lighting adjusts to your mood or the time of day. Kitchens are now designed as social spaces, open, connected, and media-rich, making them perfect for hosting, relaxing, or simply sharing a meal with your virtual assistant narrating the recipe.